But for the
Hi friends. Hi friends. Okay, welcome to our secondary school maths TikTok. Okay, welcome to our secondary school maths TikTok. Okay, I should probably not do that. No, it's not P4. This is secondary school. This is O level. Okay, so we're doing O level tonight. My name is Coach Nawas. Can you all hear me? Hi Camino, hi Kalpana, hi everybody. Guys, help me to like and share this live, please. Help me to like and share the live. Okay. Yes, do join in our Kahoot. We have one participant who has just entered the Kahoot. Focused Jaguar, welcome, welcome. Hi everybody. Hi ST. Hi Bunurwang Nain Nekwe. I can't pronounce your name. Sorry. Where are you guys coming from? Maybe in the comments, write down which country you're from and which school you're in. I like to know which country and which school you're from. Guys, as per the usual, please help me to like and share the live, please. Help me to like and share the live. MEE, what's MEE? Which country are you from? Guys, help me to like and share the live, please. Okay, the game pin for today is 427448. Alright, 427448. Let's not leave focused Jaguar all by himself in the Kahoot. Alright, we have another participant, Vibrant Liger. As per the usual, the winner of the Kahoot will get a $10 popular voucher. Okay. Is this open to everyone? Yes, of course. I mean, if you're living in Singapore, then you'll get the voucher mailed to you. Assuming you win. Assuming you win, you'll get the voucher mailed to your residence. Okay, so it's a $10 popular voucher, guys. So, what happened to the guy that we had? Yeah, so I'll start once I have about 10 participants lah. Okay, once I have about 10 participants, I'll start. Welcome back, Vibrant Liger. Can you all get your friends to join in? Your cousins, your uncles and aunts. I mean, some of your uncles and aunts, obviously, they might have already left school, but they might want to join in, just to give it a try. This is our secondary school maths live. Okay, great. We've got one more person. Speedy Barracuda, welcome. Welcome to the Kahoot. We'll start in a couple of minutes, guys. We'll start in a couple of minutes. Hi, 7 times 7 equals to 49. Hi, Zoe Brian. Hi, Amirul Hakim. And Anak Silat, hello, hello. My name is Coach Nawas. Welcome to Secondary School Maths live stream. This is brought to you every Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. by the good people at MasterMaths. If you need help with your maths, you know who to call. Do join us. We have 4 tuition centers all over Singapore. One in the east where I'm at right now, Tampines. And then one in the north, we have one at Woodlands. We have one in the central part of Singapore, Farrer Park. And we have one in the west, I think Lakeside or Jurong East. I can't quite recall. Okay, we've got 3 participants. We're hoping for more. So those of you all who are joining in the TikTok right now, please join in the Kahoot as well. So the Kahoot pin is 427448. Alright, 427448, that's the Kahoot pin, the pin for the Kahoot. Help me to like and share the live, please. Help me to like and share the live. Just join and then give it a try, you know. Last week, was it last week? No, last week was Labor Day, yeah? So last week we had someone who was not from secondary school winning the live. Okay, he was not from secondary school and he won the live. Milo Dinosaur, welcome. Hani Muhammad Yusof, welcome. Okay, I hope more people can start joining the Kahoot. I want to start the Kahoot at about 7:40 latest. I've only got 3 participants. What's happening? Come on, guys. Let's go. Yes, fantastic. Kind Ladybug, thank you. Thank you for joining in, Kind Ladybug. Okay, hopefully we get a few more participants. Okay guys, come on guys. Help me to like and share the live. Help me to join the Kahoot. We'll start the questions very soon. If you manage to get all the questions correct and you end up at the top of the pile after 8 questions, you will get a $10 popular voucher. We will mail it to your house. $10 popular voucher. So for about 40 minutes of work, you'll get a $10 popular voucher. I think it's fantastic. Okay, and then per the usual, I'll share the solutions at the end of the Kahoot. So this time around, we are not going to share the solutions after every question. We're going to share the solutions after the entire Kahoot. Hello, Shamsul Nizam, Dakwa Authentic Sunnah 2. Welcome Alex, welcome Ayon, welcome Yatuti and Yati. Hi, thank you for joining. Oh, I'm down to 4 participants. Okay, I hope. Hi Santosh, yeah, Santosh is here. Please join my Kahoot, Santosh. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you. Fantastic. Where's everybody else? Okay, we've got 5 participants. I'll start in a minute lah. Whether we have 5 participants or 10 participants, I'll just start in 1 minute, okay? So, more chances for those who have joined. Okay, hello Doggy78SG. Hi Taser25348. Guys, help me to like and share the live. Help me to join in, please. Come on, guys. One more minute. We are going to start in 1 minute's time. Let me share this on my Telegram. My story. Okay, fantastic. We've got 6 people now, I think. Yeah, we've got 6 people. Fantastic. Okay, let's start. Santosh, are you in already? Are you in, Santosh? Welcome SG Cats Diary, guys. Those who are still you are in the TikTok but you have not joined the Kahoot. Again, the pin is 427448. Join in, join in. Okay, let's start. Okay, great. We've got total now. We've got 8 people. I think that's just nice. Okay, but of course more people can join in. Hi, Doggy78SG. Yeah, your agent Sphinx. So you just join. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Santosh says don't let too many people join. Yeah, you want the popular voucher all for yourself, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I hope everybody can see the questions. Okay, don't worry about the O-level live stream thingy. Don't worry about that. That one. Yeah, are you ready? Okay, I'm sure you all are ready. Let's go. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Can you all see? I hope you all can see. Oh no, cannot see some parts. Okay, so calculate. So you take out your calculator. I forgot to tell you all. You all have to have your calculator ready with you. Calculator must be ready with you. Okay, let's see now. Okay. Oops. Go down a bit. My WhatsApp is closed. Okay, at the end of the first question, we have, how many people do we have? We've got, 2 people getting it correct. Sorry, 1 person only got it correct. Only 1 person got it correct. How do I move this thing out of the way? So irritating, this thing. Okay, let me just move it out of the way. Okay, so I will not show the solutions yet. I'll show the solutions at the end of the live stream. You are P4. Ayo, this is O level lah. But never mind, just try. Just give it a try, okay? Doggy78SG. Okay, in top spot with 774 points, we have Vibrant Liger. Santosh, don't bully lah. Okay, well done to Vibrant Liger, whoever you are. Let's move on. Question number 2. Y is inversely proportional to x squared. Which of these diagrams represents the graph of y against x? Is it diagram 1? Is it diagram 2? Is it diagram 3? Or is it diagram 4? So inversely proportional to x squared. So which of the diagrams represents the graph of y against x? You would have done this in Sec 3. You would have done this in Sec 3. Okay, so 3 people have gotten it correct. Let's see what the results are after the second question. Don't worry guys, there's plenty more questions. If you're not yet on the board, you can still make it. Okay, in first place we have a Vibrant Liger. I guess a liger is like a cross between a lion and a tiger. The Decisive Hornbill is in second place with 868 points, and our Kind Ladybug is at 671 points. No points yet for Focused Jaguar and Speedy Barracuda, but we got plenty more questions. Guys. If you just join in, and you wanna join the Kahoot, the pin is 427448. Just give it a try lah. Even if you're in P4 or what, give it a try. Just tikam. Okay, question number 3. Double points for this one. Double points. Now, AB is a tangent to a circle. So this is circle properties. The topic of circle properties, center O. CB is parallel to OA, and angle OBC equals to 66 degrees. Find angle OAB. You got 70 seconds. Is it 24 degrees? Is it 33 degrees? Is it 68 degrees? Or is it 90 degrees? Which one is it, guys? Which one is it? Okay, answer is 24 degrees. So 4 people got it correct. Well done, well done. Again, as I mentioned, the solutions will be shared later on. So do stick around for the solutions. Do stick around for the solutions. I'm going to tikam. Well done, doggy. Doggy 78SG. So many people got it correct. Only 4 people got it correct. 2 people got it wrong. That means the 4 people who got it correct, they are maybe really O-level students. They are really O-level students. Okay, let's see if our Liger, what Liger is that? The guy, is he still in the lead or not? Let's see. Let's see. Vibrant Liger. Oh, Vibrant Liger is still in the lead. And what a commanding lead he has. A streak with 3 correct answers in a row. Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. But finally, we have Honest Nightingale on the board. And Decisive Hornbill is in 2nd place. And Kind Ladybug is in 3rd place. We might see a new winner tonight. Vibrant Liger. I don't know who you are, but I think the $10 popular voucher is going to go to you. It's going to go to you. I'm first. Oh, that's you, Santosh. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So, one of my students actually, So he's a Sec 3 student, but he's trying this O-level quiz, and hopefully he wins it. Hopefully he wins it. Let's hope for Vibrant Liger to win this. But then again, if you are Decisive Hornbill or your Kind Ladybug, don't give up. Don't give up. You're still very close. Very, very close. Come on, let's go. Next question. Question 4A. Wow, there's a 4A. That means there'll be a 4B lah. Okay. What is the question asking here? The graph shows the total daily newspaper circulation at the end of each of the given years. Now, state one misleading feature of the graph. What's misleading about the graph? What's misleading? So many people answer already. How come the rest didn't answer? The vertical axis doesn't start from 0. That's right. The vertical axis doesn't start from 0. Did people get disconnected? I'm not sure why only 2 people answered and nobody else answered. The photo blur. Alamak, then how? But you should be watching it from your your phone. Maybe your phone needs to be bigger. Okay, so at the end of 4 questions, we have Vibrant Liger in the lead with 3,156 points. We have Decisive Hornbill with 2,460 points and Kind Ladybug with 2,345 points. We've got Honest Nightingale and Focus Jaguar also on the board. So, it could go anyway. Maybe Vibrant Liger will run away with this. Maybe he won't. Let's see. Let's go and get to the next question. Question 4B. 4B. Oh, it's a bit small. Yeah, it's a bit small. Oh. So, the second question here is, let me zoom in. Let me see. Can I zoom in? I can't zoom in. Here we go. Okay, so explain how this feature affects the reader's interpretation of the graph. So how does this misleading feature affects the reader's interpretation of the graph? So is it no data below 1.2 million on the vertical axis? The decrease in newspaper circulation is exaggerated? I think that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. The increase in newspaper circulation is exaggerated? No. And the decrease in newspaper circulation is understated? Also no. So the answer is the decrease in newspaper circulation is exaggerated. Why? Because there's no data below 1.2 million on the vertical axis. So that's the misleading feature. Okay, great. Let's I have to zoom out. Oh dear, not like that. Okay, let's go next. Alright, Decisive Hornbill is now first. Oh my god, Santosh, did you lose your first place? Santosh, who are you, Santosh? Are you Decisive Hornbill? Oh, that's you. You're the Decisive Hornbill. Alright. So you're in number 1 now. You're number 1. Fantastic. Okay, guys. Write 4 to the power of 5 as a power of 2. Come on, Santosh. This is indices. You know this. You know this. I am not sure who is Liger. Never mind. No need to know. Okay. So is it 2 to the power of 5? Is it 2 to the power of 7? Is it 2 to the power of 10? Or is it 1024? So, yeah. So, SpongeBob and Patrick are thinking hard and wondering what the answer is. The answer is 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10, right? Because 4 to the power of 5, it's 4 is 2 to the power of 2, and then the 2 times 5 will give you 10. Fantastic. Fantastic. Awesome, guys. Awesome. I'm glad that many of you all managed to solve this. Let's see who's in the lead now. Our friend Decisive Hornbill is still in the lead. Is still in the lead. Vibrant Liger is in second place. That's you, Doggy 78 SG. Are you Vibrant Liger? Okay, welcome to all those who just joined. Those who just joined, if you want to join into the game, the game pin is 427448. 427448. I think we're down to our last few questions. All right, let's see here. Okay, simplify 4a square over 3b divide by 10ab over 21. Santosh, you should know how to do this. I cannot be first because I don't know all of this. Never mind, it's okay. It's alright, Doggy 78 SG. I'm just glad that you're participating, that you are trying, even though you're not in Sec 4, you're in Primary 4. I'm really touched that you're joining in my live stream and adding to the numbers and all that. So, well done to you, well done to you. I think you will grow up to be a very smart Sec 4 student. I think you will grow up to be a very smart Sec 4 student. And I hope you have siblings or friends who are in Sec 4 and you can share with them and you can tell them, hey, you know what? You should join Coach Nawas every Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 on TikTok Live. Right? You're in Sec 3. Sec 3 is very close. Okay, someone here says he's P6. He's P6. Okay, you got a Sec 2 brother. Ask your Sec 2 brother to join. Because he'll be learning this in Sec 3 and Sec 4. Tell him, hey, you should join TikTok Live, 7:30 to 8:30. Instead of wasting your life away, why don't you join the TikTok? Which school are you from, Doggy 78 SG? Which school are you from? Which primary school are you from? What's the code? The code is 427448. That's in Malay is 427 448. And Santosh, stop giving misleading information. PPS, what is PPS? Punggol Primary School. Is that Punggol Primary School? That's near where I live, man. I live in Sengkang. I know Punggol Primary School is in Hougang, right? Yes. Oh, you in Punggol Primary School? Wow, I think the teachers in Punggol Primary School are very good. They teach you all this stuff, and then you can do it even though you're in Primary 4. Okay, and your brother, he's Sec 2, where is he from? Where is your brother from, Doggy 78 SG? Okay, guys who just joined in, please join in the Kahoot. The game pin is 427448. He's from what? How come I cannot see? Bowen Secondary. Yeah. Okay, so you all must be living somewhere in the northeast, Hougang area there. Okay. So, I hope the three of you all know how to simplify, and yes, indeed, you all managed to get it correct. Let's see who's in the lead now. Oh, our friend Santosh is still in the lead. Decisive Hornbill with a total of 4,951 points. Decisive Hornbill, he's got a streak with 3 correct answers in a row. Fantastic. Okay, well done, Santosh. Santosh, you should show this to your mother and your grandmother. Tell them, hey, look, I'm first in the TikTok Live. See, I can do, even though I'm not in G3, I can do the G3 questions. Fantastic. But I hope the rest, Vibrant Liger, Kind Ladybug, Honest Nightingale, don't give up. Don't give up. Come on, few more questions, you all can do it. Okay, which question are we at? Oh, this is double the points. Question 6. Santosh, you cannot get this wrong. Oh, you G3 for emails. Okay. Sorry. My mistake. Okay, the diagram shows a regular hexagon and an equilateral triangle. You know what an equilateral triangle is, right? The ratio of the perimeters, hexagon to triangle, is 1:2. Find the ratio of the area. Wow. 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 This is tough, man. This is tough. Zoom. How to zoom? Okay, zoom. Sure. But you can see, right, on your how to zoom now. Okay, zoom. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Actually nothing to zoom lah, just the perimeter of the hexagon to the perimeter of the triangle is 1:2. Wow. This is a bit tough, man. This is a bit tough, guys. Who can get this correct? Double points, man. Double points. Wow. Okay, perimeter, that means the triangle perimeter is more. Is more. So the area. Wow, okay. Well, a hexagon is made up of 6 equilateral triangles, isn't it? Is it 6 Yeah, because 360 divided by 6, that will be 60 each. And then it's like an isosceles, so the 60, yeah. So it's actually 6 equilateral triangles. 6 equilateral triangles in a hexagon. And 1 big equilateral triangle. What's the ratio of the areas there? Let me see if I can do this in my head. How, guys? How to do? Perimeter. So this is 3 sides, but this one is 6 sides. Right. I know. I get it now. Okay. So 3 people got it correct. Well done. Let's see who they are. So tough, I also cannot figure it out. Okay, and still in the lead. Although now we got someone who's at, we've got a new number 2. Honest Nightingale. Came out of nowhere and is now behind Decisive Hornbill by 1,000 points. But Decisive Hornbill, we've got a streak going, 4 correct answers in a row. Fantastic. Well done to Decisive Hornbill. But it's not over yet. It's not over till the fat lady sings, as they say. Question 7A. Okay, I have to zoom in a bit. Okay, come. The time to the nearest minute that each of 23 men spent shopping 1 week was recorded. The results are shown on the stem and leaf diagram. Have you done this in school, guys? Have you all done it in school? This is part of statistics. So write down the median of the time. So this is easy lah. Easy. You all know what median is, right? Yes, Donkey78SG. I do this live every Friday, 7:30 PM to 8:30 PM. But the questions are more for O-level lah. Okay, you want to see the options? No problem. The options are 12, 82, 82.5 and 83. Which one is it? Is it 12? Is it 82? Is it 82.5? Or is it 83? Which is the median time? And we have gotten 2 people getting this correct. The time here is 83 minutes. 83 minutes. Let's see who's in the lead now. We still have Decisive Hornbill in the lead. I know you all can't see. Let me shift a bit to the left. Can see? But if I shift this to the left, then you all cannot see. Hold on, I need to make this smaller. Oh my goodness, this is so irritating. Okay, let's try that. But then it'll be super small. Okay. Can lah. Later you all zoom in lah. Okay, so we have Decisive Hornbill in the lead. Let me try and expand this a bit. Go up a bit here. If only I can make my face smaller and this thing bigger. Okay, is this better? This looks better. It's a bit more, okay. Let's move it to the left a bit more. Alright, so as you all can see, Decisive Hornbill is in the lead. And we are at question 7B. Hey, what is she asking? You anyhow answer. What's this? Is it P6 or not? It's not P6 lah. This is O level. This is O level. Huh? Okay, so I'm not zooming in. I just read out the question for you all. When the time for a 24th man is added to the diagram, the range increases to 33 minutes. Find the two possible times that this man spent shopping. Is it 75 minutes and 102 minutes? Is it 72 minutes and 105 minutes? Is it 69 minutes and 108 minutes? Or is it 70 minutes and 109 minutes? So range. Range is your maximum minus your minimum. Okay. We've got 4 answers so far. We've got 30 seconds left. Cannot see. Okay, so what is range? Range firstly is your maximum minus your minimum. So right now, what is the range? Right now the range is 27. Okay, so if someone comes in and the range increases to 33, that means additional 6 minutes, right? So where did the 6 minutes come from? It could have come from the minimum, it could have come from the maximum. Okay, so the answer is 69 and 108. Don't tikam lah. You should be able to do this, Santosh. But I don't know, maybe your school hasn't taught you statistics yet. They will teach you in Sec 4, don't worry. Anyway, you are still in the lead lah. You are still in the lead. Decisive hornbill is top 7,351. Well done, decisive hornbill. Okay, is this the last question? Question 8A. I don't think it's the last question. Maybe the second last question. After this, maybe there'll be an 8B. Now, a bag contains some red counters, some blue counters, and some yellow counters. The probability of choosing a red counter at random is 0.45. The probability of choosing a blue counter at random is 0.2. Okay, so find the probability of choosing a yellow counter at random. So maybe what you can do is do this. You look at your phone like that. You look at your phone like this. You can read what? Sometimes when I need to read, I look like this. It's a bit small. Next time I must make the font bigger. Sorry about that. No, because you want to fit the entire question inside. And some of these questions are very wordy. Okay, answer is 0.25. Okay, decisive hornbill is still in the lead. Honest nightingale is about 700 points behind. Can the last question change the person at the lead? We'll see. Let's see. Last question for today? I think so. Double the points. Santosh, you better be on your guard, Santosh. You can lose the last place. Now, in the bag, there are 9 more red counters than blue counters. Find the total number of counters in the bag. 9 more red counters than blue counters. Ooh, wow. 2-mark question. How? Okay, so the probability of choosing a red counter is 0.45. The probability of choosing a blue counter is 0.3, right? So if I take 0.45 minus 0.3, I'll get 0.15, right? So that's part of the working. So the 0.15 is equals to something over something. Is it 60? How do you come up with the answer, Doggy78SG? Some of you all are very lucky. You choose the answer, need the answer correct. Yeah, obviously, I think it cannot be 9, it cannot be 18. You look at the question, you know it cannot be 9, it cannot be 18, right? So it should be 60 or 64. So which is it? Guys, don't mind, I drink water because very hot day today. But it's been raining very heavily where I am right now. which is in Tampines. Is it raining heavily wherever you are? Wherever you are? Tikam, your tikam is solid lah. Your tikam solid. You must buy 4D lah like this. You confirm get it correct one. Okay, 5 more seconds. No, I don't gamble lah. Don't gamble. I'm just kidding. I'm making a silly joke. Okay, everybody got the answer correct. Fantastic. Okay, guys. Before we end the Kahoot, let me just mention this to you all. You can join us for a free trial. You can ask people like Santosh. Santosh is Queenstown is raining. Yeah, Santosh is one of our students, and he can tell you that joining MasterMaths is one of the best decisions he has made in his life. Okay, so come for a trial. Come for a trial. There's many benefits to being a MasterMaths student. Okay, so I hope those who are joining in the live, how many people are on the live now? Okay, never mind. Maybe about 10 people, 9-10 people. So those who are online, maybe tell your friends about us and then join the trial. Try to join the trial. Okay, Santosh, before I reveal anyway, I don't need to what do I do? Okay, maybe I get you to print screen this first. Hold on. Okay, so let's look at the podium, guys. Okay, Kind Ladybug got 3rd place. Well done to Kind Ladybug. Honest Nightingale got 2nd place. And in 1st place with 9,634 points, Decisive Hornbill. So if you are Decisive Hornbill, can you please take a screenshot? Take a screenshot, please. Thank you. Take a screenshot. Santosh, take a screenshot. Okay, taken a screenshot already? Okay, fantastic. Then the next thing you need to do, Santosh, you need to scan this QR code. Okay, so if you cannot scan it now, then might just take a photo first lah. Okay, can you take a photo of this? Take a photo of this. Later on, you can scan. Then you can fill up your details and all that, and then you put in the screenshot as proof of your victory, and then we will send you your $10 popular voucher. That's how it works. Okay. Okay, guys. Then here can go where? No, this is okay. So if you've won the Kahoot, then you need to take a screenshot, and then what you do is you can fill up this document with the screenshot itself, and then we will send you the popular voucher. Okay, guys, it's 8:07. I still got about 20 minutes. I still got about 20 minutes. So I don't want to waste these 20 minutes. Okay, I want to go through the solutions with you all. I hope you all can stay with me and listen to the solutions. So if just now during the Kahoot, you were like, Ayah, how to solve this? Must tikam. Now the good thing is I can show you the solutions, and then you don't have to tikam anymore. You don't have to tikam anymore. Okay, let me show you all the solutions. Okay, here we go. Okay, can you all see my solutions here? Can I? Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so those of you all who are still online with me, you are still in this TikTok live. You are still in this TikTok live. Let's go through the solutions. We got 8 questions here, so should take us about 20 minutes at most. Okay, so I just need about 20 more minutes of your time. Now, we are asked to calculate. Okay, maybe it's a bit small. Let me zoom in. We are asked to calculate this value here. So what you do, guys, is you simply take out your calculator. You key in negative 11 minus square root negative 11 square minus 4 times 16 times negative 50. Close. Okay, so I will get a certain value, then I divide it by 2 times 16. So the 2 times 16, I will put it in a bracket. I'll put it inside a bracket like this. Can you see not? See. Divide by. Why do you learn negative something? okay, so it's like this is negative numbers negative numbers so the answer I get is this one. Is it mirrored? I think it might be mirrored Alamak, it's mirrored how do I change this hold on, let me see now if I can change this TikTok live to not mirror. Settings is it settings? Hold on guys, hold on upside down. I know. Hold on. Let me see what I can do here. Is it I go to video? What do I do now? Just give me 1 minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Let me figure this out a bit. Oh, settings is here. Okay, settings. Cannot Aiyo, how to do How to mirror settings. I thought I went to settings. Never mind lah, forget it. Not important. Okay, never mind. Let me go back to this. Where was I? This one preview. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, you can see upside down. How is it upside down? Okay, now y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, let me try and zoom out from this thing. Zoom out. Yeah, zoom out some more. Okay, so y is inversely proportional to x. Which of these diagrams represents the graph of y against x? So why is it number 3? Because when you learn about y equals to 1 over x square, so when it's inversely proportional to x square, that means, will you get the vouchers tomorrow? Come on now, friend. If I want to post the voucher to you also cannot be. Oh, you mean when you come to the center, will you get the voucher or not? No lah, they will mail it to you. Not, I won't give it to you tomorrow. I mean when you show me the calculator. Yeah, I understand. It's inverse the mirror image issue. Never mind. I try to solve the problem the next time. Okay. Okay. So for number 2, the equation that we're looking at is y equals to 1 over x squared. Y equals to 1 over x squared. And y equals to 1 over x squared, you would have learned that it is diagram 3. It's not 1, 2 or 4. Okay, guys? Okay, let's go on to question number 3. For question number 3, they say that AB is a tangent to a circle, center O. And CB is parallel to OA, and angle OBC equals to 66 degrees. So why is OBA equals to 90 degrees? Because the tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. This is Doggy 78SG. This is under circle properties. Hey Santosh, don't leave the live stream. We're going through the solution. Okay, he won the voucher already, then he want to leave. See, when it comes to studying only, then he start to slack only. Stay lah, only a few more minutes what. Okay, so anyway, so you see here the tangent, you all cannot see my cursor lah, never mind. So the tangent is BA. Okay, so BA is tangent to the circle and it is perpendicular to the radius. This is one of the circle properties that we are taught. Okay, that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Okay, and then from there we also know that, AOB, where is AOB? You can see the triangle there, the top there, 66 degrees. Okay, why? Alternate angles. Why alternate angles? Because your BC and your AO, they are parallel. They are parallel. So BC and AO parallel, therefore there's this thing called alternate angles. You go and Google up alternate angles. Alternate angles in a parallel line or in a set of parallel lines. Okay, so therefore, if we say that AOB is 66 and OBA is 90, can we go ahead and find OAB? Of course. We know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Add up to 180. Okay? Add up to 180. I just realized you just joined the live. Who's that? Okay, never mind. Anyway. So the answer here is 24 degrees. The answer is 24 degrees. Those who are just joining in, I just have a few more minutes left. I just want to go through some questions from past year O-level papers lah. Okay. So this one here on statistics. Okay. So, oh yeah. That's my own TikTok lah. That's my own TikTok. But I hardly use TikTok lah. Okay. So the graph shows the total daily newspaper circulation at the end of each of the given years. Okay. At the end of each of the given years. So you see here, the axis starts from 1.2 million. It doesn't start from 0. So that's the misleading feature. So the misleading feature means that the decrease in the newspaper circulation is exaggerated, making it appear more than it actually is. So actually, the decrease is not that much, but when you make the x-axis, or sorry, the vertical axis, not the x-axis, the vertical axis start from 1.2 million instead of 0, then it'll be like, oh, it's not really going down as badly as you imagine it to be. So this is the misleading thing. So your graph shouldn't be like this. So this is one of the things that makes it misleading. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5, they ask you to write 4 to the power 5 as a power of 2. As a power of 2. So we can change the 4 to 2 power 2. 2 power 2. And then what happens is the 2 next to the 2 and the 5 outside the bracket can multiply each other. Can multiply each other. So the 2 times 5 will give me 10. So this is 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10. Very easy lah, 1 mark. They give you 1 mark. You see, actually O-levels are very merciful, no? People all complain about O-levels and all that. Actually, it's not that difficult. You know your basics, you can get at least lah, you can pass if you know your basics. Then you want to get your B3 or your A2 or your A1, then you must put in a bit of effort. Of course, to get A1, must put in a lot of effort lah. But I'm surprised though when people can say they fail lah. How you can fail? You know, just the basics will get you all these marks. Okay, simplify another very easy part. So this one is your keep, change, flip, KCF. Not KFC, KCF. So you keep the divide sign, you change to multiply, which means the fraction on the right side will be flipped. So now it's no longer 10AB over 21, it's going to be 21 over 10AB. Okay, 21 over 10AB. Then you start cancelling. You start cancelling. So the 3 and the 21 can cancel, the 4 and the 10 can cancel, the A square and the A can cancel, so on and so forth. And then finally you do numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Simple, right? For that, get 2 marks. Wow. Very good. Very good. Okay, guys. Let's move on to question number 6. This one was the one I said a bit tough. A bit tough. So, there's 2 things here. There's a regular hexagon. So, when we say regular hexagon, what does it mean, Santosh, when I say regular hexagon? Or anybody else want to answer? What does regular hexagon mean? This one no popular voucher lah. You just give me the answer, can or not? What does it mean, regular hexagon? What is the same? The sides are the same. The sides are the same. So you see, your sides, you can call it X lah. So X, all over the X. Okay? And then, because it's a regular hexagon, it means that all the internal angles are also the same. So this regular hexagon is actually made up of 6 equilateral triangles, and all the 6 equilateral triangles are the same. They are identical, guys. So therefore, we can say that, you see, so 6x, so the perimeter is 6x, the perimeter of the triangle is 3y, So you can reduce the 6x to 3y to 2x to y, and that is 1 is to 2. Therefore, your y is equals to 4x. That means to say that one side of the bigger equilateral triangle is 4 times one of the smaller equilateral triangles in the hexagon. So how do we find area of triangle? Half times base times height. Or in this case, because we are dealing with equilateral triangles, we can say half AB sine C. Half AB sine C. So maybe you have learned half AB sine C. Maybe you have not learned half AB sine C. So because of that, we can say that the ratio is 3 is to 8. This one a bit tough lah. To get the 2 marks here, a bit tough lah. But still there will be some students who can do. So you can put the area of the hexagon, which is 6 times half AB sine C, next to the area of the bigger triangle, which is half AB sine C. Then finally you get 3 is to 8 lah. Okay, look at the solution. If you all don't understand, maybe just screenshot the solution. Later on when you got free time, go and look. Go and look at the solution. Okay, figure it out. Okay, question number 7. Again, wow, so easy. So easy here. Okay, so what's the median here? Median here is the middle position. So to find the middle position, median is not middle position. Median requires you to first establish the middle position. You need to first establish the middle position. So the middle position in this case is the 12th position. So you got 23 men. You take 23 plus 1 divided by 2, you get 12. Okay, so to establish the middle position, there's a formula lah. The formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we know that we have to look at the 12th man. So that's why you can see that 3 there is circled, right? Because that's the 12th man. So the 12th man here is 83 minutes. 83 minutes. Now, when a 24th man is added, the range increases. So when the range increases, as I said, the original range is 102 minus 75, which is 27. So for 27 to become 33, that means it's either your minimum reduced by 6 or your maximum increased by 6. So what are the possible times for this man? It can be either 69, that means you take 75 minus 6, or 108, that means you take 102 plus 6. Okay, so interesting question. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a question like this. You add a man, then the range increases. So they ask you to find the 2 possible times for this man. Okay, question number 8. I'm coming to the end of my live stream already, guys. So a bag contains some red counters, some blue counters, and some yellow counters. So what is the probability of choosing a yellow counter? You must take 1 minus the probability of choosing the blue minus the probability of choosing the red. So that's 0.25. Why so fast? I want to go home already lah. I haven't had my dinner, no, Santosh. I hungry. Just now I got teach one P6 boy. Now I got to do live stream. Please my whole life is MasterMaths Tomorrow I got to teach you at 9 o'clock, Farrer Park. But I'm happy lah. I'm happy to teach you all. You all are young people. I hope that you all make something of yourself. Don't end up like me having to do all this TikTok live and all this Be something like a rocket scientist or a spinal surgeon or some other wonderful job. Okay, guys. Last question for today before I sign off. In the bag there are 9 more red counters than blue counters. Find the total number of counters in the bag. So let X be the total number of counters. So actually to me no need to do like this, but it's okay. Okay, so 0.5x minus 0.3x equals to 9. 0.15x equals to 9. X equals to 60. Simple algebraic solving, guys. So with that, we will get 60 counters in the bag. Of course, when I give you MCQ, very easy. You can just choose the 60, right? But if I ask you to write down, will you be able to get the 2 marks? Touch your heart and ask yourself. Okay, so with that, let me close this. Let me close this. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. I'm very happy for those of you all who managed to join in, especially the likes of Santosh and Doggy78SG and Michelle and Iris Sabrina. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name properly. Okay, so with that, I want to say bye-bye to everybody. Have a good weekend and see you all again next week. Same time, same place. For Santosh, yes, I'll see you tomorrow in Farrer Park. Bye-bye, guys. Take care. Alamak, how do I switch off the live, man? Now I don't know how to switch off the live. Oops. Bye.